Yes, hello viewers, again it's me. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like I told you in the previous video, in this video I'm going to still under Microsoft Excel, and I'm going to take you through the errors we make when using the Microsoft Excel word. So after opening the app, you first open your app and you begin your work. And then first open mine. Let me see mine. I have already opened. So and then you begin by taking you through examples of some few errors we do when working using the Microsoft Office. Or not Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel. So the first error people usually see is when you see like hash buttons, many of them in your cell, in the active cell. It means the column you are using or the cell is too small for the values to be fit inside. It is mainly common for text values or numbers. It can be for all of them. So if you see hash 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 signs, many of them in your active cell, it means you have already made an error, and the error is very simple: is that the active cell is too small for the values to fill inside. So how to correct it? You come to the active cell and you increase the size of the active cell. You adjust it to become big, like the way I'm doing mine. You come here, you adjust it. After adjusting, you see the hash buttons, the hash values, they have disappeared. So that's one mistake and how to correct it. So the second mistake is, you see hash diff slash 0. This one means you are attempting to divide a value by 0, which is not possible in Microsoft Excel. Like if you are entering your results in what in the Microsoft Excel in the cells, and someone has got 0 and you want to get the average, you are dividing a number in that cell by 0. Yeah, you're dividing a number in that cell by 0. You are going to see the mistake. You are going to see the word hash diff slash 0. It means you are attempting to divide a number by 0, which is not possible. So in order to correct it, you will have to enter a valid number where there is a 0 in the cell. Let me say like 60, 65. Yeah, I've entered 65, and how to correct it? You come here, you come and tap on the cell where there is a mistake, and it will automatically correct itself. So that's the second mistake that happens when you're attempting to divide a number by 0. The next one is hash and name. This one, it usually happens when you enter a wrong formula for calculations, like after entering results of students or learners and you want to get that total. There's a scenario where some people just just write the thing locally, like add all the values to get the total. But in Microsoft Excel, there is no formula which is written as add. So in order to correct it, you must type in the correct formula. It's equal sign sum. You select sum from where you want to start from where you want your values to start from up to the end, and it will automatically. Let me type again sum. I'm seeing B5 from where you want your values to start from. B5 from here. Let me do it again. Sum is equal to sum from B5. Wait, this from here. This is our starting value. From B5 up to E5 and close the bracket. It will automatically correct yourself. The last error I would like to guide you through, it's hash value and exclamation after. So what does it mean? It means this error. It means you are attempting to mix values and text messages, like in your working worksheet here. Supposing you have entered values and you want to to get the difference, or you want to get the average, or you want to divide, or you want to get the percentage allowance or the tax allowance from the values. Maybe you might have written all the values correctly, but in one cell, instead of writing a value, you have written a text message or a word. So, or you want to get the difference between a value and a word. So, if you type your difference like is equal to sign equal to this minus this, I'm seeing in E2 there is a word U, and in D2 there is a value. You type enter, it will bring for you hash value and this exclamation after. So it means, what does it tell you? It tells you that you cannot combine values and text together. So if you are working with values, you should only work with values. So it means values cannot be combined with text in Microsoft Excel. So in order to correct it, you will have to change this text here to any value. Let me say like 76, and you come here, you type on it, and it will automatically correct itself. Those are a few examples of errors we make when using Microsoft Excel and how to correct them. So thank you for giving me your time in your video. My next video, hit the subscribe button so that we continue from there next time.